Titled A Message to the Universe, the Voyager Mission Intro. Narrator, do you believe that humans are the only intelligent species in this vast universe? Or is there intelligent life elsewhere? If aliens do exist, it's natural to wonder if they ask the same question, are they alone in the universe? How can two intelligent species in the cosmos communicate with each other? With this thought in mind, NASA initiated several projects aimed at sending messages to aliens. In 1977, NASA launched the Voyager 1 spacecraft with a well-defined mission to explore our solar system, its outer planets, the boundary of the sun's influence, and beyond. Simply put, it was an interstellar mission. There are millions of solar systems in our Milky Way galaxy. The space between these solar systems is called interstellar space. To date, NASA has launched only 5 interstellar spacecraft: Pioneer 10, Pioneer 11, Voyager 1, Voyager 2, and New Horizons. Among these, only to have managed to reach interstellar space. Because it takes an incredibly long time to get there, the two that have made it are very special: Voyager 1 and Voyager 2. These spacecraft explored our solar system, capturing stunning images of Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. To date, Voyager 2 is the only spacecraft to have visited Uranus and Neptune. Voyager 1, on the other hand, has traveled so far that it has officially become the farthest human-made object from Earth. As of October 2024, it is approximately 24.7 billion kilometers away from Earth. But the most fascinating thing about these two Voyagers is that they carry messages for aliens, which are now traveling through space. These messages were sent in the hope that one day we might meet aliens and tell them about ourselves. It's as if we are saying, we're venturing out of our solar system to reach others. What do these messages contain? What does NASA want to communicate to aliens on behalf of humanity? Let's dive into the story of the Voyager mission to find out. The Voyager mission. Narrator friends. In 1965, an engineer at NASA noticed that the outermost 4 planets of our solar system, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune, would align in a unique geometric pattern in the late 1970s. This alignment occurs only once every 175 years. This alignment meant that a spacecraft could take advantage of the gravitational pull of these planets to travel close to them, using relatively less fuel and time. This concept is known as gravity assist, where the mass of a planet or object in space is used to alter the speed and trajectory of the spacecraft. Based on this principle, NASA planned its Voyager 1 and Voyager 2 missions. In 1977 was chosen as the launch year for these two spacecraft. According to the mission, Voyager 1 was to fly by Jupiter and Saturn, focusing particularly on Saturn's moon Titan. Voyager 2 was to visit Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. The designs of both spacecraft were quite similar. They were powered by 3 radioisotope thermoelectric generators. They did not have solar panels because, beyond Mars and Jupiter, solar power becomes ineffective due to the decreasing intensity of sunlight. At those distances, sunlight is too weak to generate sufficient energy for the spacecraft. Since their mission was to venture outside the solar system, these spacecraft were powered by the radioactive decay of plutonium. As plutonium decays, it releases heat, which is converted into electricity. This is why these generators are called radioisotope thermoelectric generators.